Everybody, CindyALewis here. Welcome. It is May 1st and it is membership celebration month this month, and every May I celebrate my memberships. This is my 4th year with memberships and I so appreciate you, whether you're a member or not, but I sincerely appreciate those that support me every month, and I want to do something for you. So this month, just like I did last year, we're going to do a junk journal box, and I'm going to show you what's in it. I'm going to do one for my YouTube subscribers because you are important too, and I'm celebrating you. And then I'm going to do one for my Ko-Fi members, and it's separate, but it's got the same goodies in it. And so what I'm doing is I'm starting off with a basic junk journal box of goodies, and then every member that joins this month, whether it's a YouTube member or a Ko-Fi member, I'm going to add another goodie to the box all the way up to May 25th. I have to cut it off at May 25th because I have to prepare mail to go out and everything for memberships. So if you sign up after May 25th, I may or may not get your pen pal mail to you if you sign up for that tier. So what we're doing, if you want to know more about memberships, post in the chat, in the comments below, and tell me. I can do a video separately on memberships that are on my Ko-Fi site. My YouTube memberships are relatively just really inexpensive, and you get a lot of little tidbits of information behind the scenes. You get notices when there's a hidden giveaway and that kind of thing. So it's kind of a nominal amount, but I appreciate you too. So what we're doing for this giveaway, I'm going to show you on May 31st. I'm going to draw the winner for the YouTube giveaway box for subscribers and the Ko-Fi box. Yes, they're on my table here. And I have, one request of you. So in the comments below, to enter this giveaway, you need to put the word inspire, INSPIRE. Inspire. That's one of my things. I want to inspire you. So inspire is the word to enter in the comments below. But I have a caveat here for you. If you go and comment on any of your favorite videos, any of them that I've done over the years, all the way back to when I started, if you go and comment on it, you can come back to this video and enter the word inspire again, and there's no limit. So you could do it all evening long if you wanted to and get a ton of entries. So I hope that you will, but you can certainly enter without going and visiting the other videos, but that is what I ask you to do. Then, of course, the normal rules do apply. You have to be 18 or older, a subscriber to my channel here, and for Ko-Fi, you would be a member of my Ko-Fi, any tier. Let's see. You have to comment for that word on this video only. So I don't want anyone to get confused and go commenting inspire on the other videos. You can comment anything on the other videos, but this video is the one that YouTube Random Comment Picker will pull winners from. All right, so we're going to start with that, and then there will be hidden giveaways sprinkled throughout the month, so watch for those. And I just truly appreciate you. You guys are just my family on YouTube. You're my community. I thoroughly enjoy getting to talk with you kind of one-on-one on lives, and I'm so excited about this month. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is in the box, the basics, and just know any members that are added to either YouTube or Ko-Fi I will add goodies to the box. So let's see what's in it. So this is the Ko-Fi box, and it has the same things in it. You see Ko-Fi back there? And I'm going to show you what's in the YouTube box. This is a medium flat rate box. So when I send it in the post office, doesn't matter how much I add to it, it will all go in this nice box. So this retro characters pack, 5 sheets of random music, some butterfly stickers, some ribbon, some clear acrylic stamps, 2 distress ink. This one has vintage photo and black soot. The Ko-Fi one has different colors. A little keychain just for me. Some fabric to cover your journal if you so choose. And then a Reader's Digest book if you want to do your journal with this, or create an altered book journal. So that is what is starting out in the box. And we'll see how much gets added to the box this month. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want to share it and you have a crafty friend that would be interested in this giveaway, that would be great. Remember, in the comments, the word to enter is inspire. And if you go and comment on any of my old videos, you can come back for each video and enter the word inspire again in the comments. There's no limit. And if you want to save it and come back to it later, go ahead and do that. So I hope to see you commenting and having some fun this month. And I will let you know every time some new members are added to my membership. And just know that on Ko-Fi, there is a box just like it. And that one will get new crafty goodies added as well. So thanks so much for watching. And I look forward to seeing how many entries there are.